Students, so let's continue the explanation of the chapter, the proposal. So in my last lecture I told you about the conversation got heated between the Lomov, his daughter, and the author, and they threw Lomov out of the house, and they continue cursing him while speaking ill of him. Chubukov unintentionally reveals that he had come with a marriage proposal for the Natalia, which surprised Natalia, and she immediately regrets sending him out. She tells her father to bring him back immediately, and Chubukov curses himself on being a father of grown-up daughter. When Lomov returns, Natalia tries to deviate to another topic and start talking about shooting. Somehow they enter into an argument involving their dogs. Natalia feels that her squeezer is better than the Lomov Guess. These are the name of their dogs, Guess and Squeezer. So they arguing when the Chubukov enters the scene, only to make the situation worse once again. Everyone gets hyper, and Lomov finally falls due to his palpitations. Even then, cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he is unconscious. They try to get water down his throat but end up getting unsuccessful and declare him dead. It is only when Lomov moves a little bit. They feed him some water, and Chubukov forcefully hands over Natalia's hands to him, gives his blessing, and asks them to kiss. Lomov, still not fully conscious, doesn't understand what is going on. When he finally comes to his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hand. Natalia, being a childish as she is, manipulates him into accepting that the squeezer is better than the Guess. But Lomov, being adamant as he is, refuses to accept it. And once again, the quarrel continuing. Even till the end of the story, you can see by the end of the story the quarrel is continued, and during that, even while they were arguing with each other, they accepted each other's marriage proposal, and the father of the daughter is also agreed to give her daughter hands into the Lomov's hand. But even after all this, they continue arguing between them regarding for their dogs. Like Natalia asked Lomov to behave and refrain from shouting in her house, and Lomov is continuous to say that she should not blame and should not claim that her dog is better than the Lomov's dogs. So this is how the proposal went to the Natalia from the Lomov की तरफ से जो मैरिज प्रपोजल था वो इस तरीके से उस तक पहुंचा. Every time Chubukov enter in the argument and make it worse or make it more heated by adding his nonsense comment. In between them, once that Lomov has turned almost dead, even then also, or they accepted each other's proposal, and they feel relieved after marrying Chubukovs feel relieved after marrying his daughter, and Natalia again resumes the topic about the dogs and manipulates him into saying that her squeezer is better than his Guess. उसका जो dog है वो Lomov के dog से better है. Better, worse. In such way, the quarrel is continued. And then they both, Lomov and Natalia, argue with the Chubukov, even often offers them a drink. Chubukov, tired of them fighting, shouts that it is time for some champagne, and then the curtains, and then the curtains put down, because it is an act, it is a play actually. So here the explanation of the chapter is over.